Hello everyone, Greta here from Plann. Welcome back to our channel. Now today we are tackling a very serious issue, which is what to do if your Instagram account gets hacked. This is truly a nightmare situation, but don't worry, I'm going to guide you through the steps to secure your account again. So let's dive in. First, try to log into your Instagram account, and if you can get in, you want to change your password immediately. Go to Settings, Security, and tap on Password. Here you'll want to choose a strong and unique password, something that you've never used before. If you can't log in, don't panic. Just tap on the Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address, phone number, or username to receive a password reset link. Next, follow the instructions in either the email or the SMS that you received to reset your password. If you didn't receive an email or SMS, make sure to check your spam folder. Oftentimes it will end up there. If it's still not there, go ahead and try logging into your Facebook page that your Instagram account is linked to. Doing this can sometimes bypass the hacker's changes. If you're still having trouble at this point, it's time to contact Instagram support. Go to the Instagram Help Center via your web browser and select Privacy and Safety Center. Then tap on Report Something, and then select Hacked Accounts. Here you'll want to fill out the form with as much detail as possible. Instagram may ask for verification, such as you taking a photo, holding up a piece of paper with the code they've sent you written on it. While waiting for a response, make sure you are continuously checking your email for any security notifications. If your hacker changed the email address linked to your account, you should see within that email an option to revert changes. And doing this can help you regain control of your account very quickly. Once you're finally back in, it is time to secure your account and make sure this never happens again. The best way to do that is by enabling two-factor authentication, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. Select Settings, Security, and then two-factor authentication. Choose either a text message or download an authentication app. This is going to add an extra layer of security and prevent future hacks. Remember to stay calm and follow these steps if you get hacked. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time, happy planning.